Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Revina Sayal Putri Dilia with student ID number 2411208 from the Mathematics Education. In this video, I will explain what is 17th century mathematics. First is John Napier, 1550 to 1617, was a nobleman from Mexiston, Scotland, who discovered the idea of logarithm. John Napier is famous for his major discoveries in the early 17th century, namely logarithm, inventing a portable calculating device known as Napier's boards, improving Simon's Kevin decimal notation, making more machines, and so on. Four products of his genius are now recorded in the history of mathematics, namely A. The discovery of logarithm, B. Mnemonic discovery, C. Napier's analogy, D. Discovery of a device called Napier's board or Napier's rod. The second, Thomas Harriot. Thomas Harriot was an English astronomer, mathematician, and translator. A mathematician, Harriot is considered the founder of the English School of Algebra. The result of his work in this field was the creation of a book entitled Artis Analytica Praxi, which was not published until 10 years after his death. The first part of this book is called Logitis Separatis, which explains four types of operation, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, using symbols instead of number. The second part, or numerous logistic, explains the numerical solution of an equation using the Vieta method. Harriot found the symbol A, which means more than, and B, which means less than. Example, 10 more than 8 and 8 less than 10. Third is Galileo Galilei. Was born in Pisa, Italy. Galileo was the eldest son of Vincenzo Galilei, a mathematician who was born in Florence in 1520. Galileo's discovery of projective parabolas in a vacuum and also discovered the law of momentum. The microscope and the compass were also Galileo's creative result. Another result of his thinking was to state the equivalence of infinite set, which is the basic of set theory. Galileo has published a book entitled Discovery F. Dismordizioni Mathematicae Junior-Sciences in 1638. For William Oughtred. William Oughtred, 1574 to 1660, was the most famous mathematical writer of the 17th century in England. His most important work was the writing of 150 mathematical symbols. Oughtred found the symbol X for multiplication and the symbol Ocun for comparison. Oughtred introduced the symbol X in his book entitled Clavis Mathematics. Fifth, Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler was born in 1571 in the city of Wilderstadt, Germany. Kepler discovered several polyhedrons. Kepler's interest in astronomical knowledge and his perseverance in carrying out various experiments led him to compile laws regarding the movement of planets. There are three laws of planetary motion coined by Kepler, namely: first law, each planet moves in elliptical orbit with the sun at one focus. The law marks a shift from previous views that considered planetary orbits to be a perfect circle. Second law, the area swept by a line connecting a point with the sun in any given time is constant. This means that the plane moves faster as it approaches the sun and slower as it moves away. Third law, the square of plane's orbital period is proportional to the scope of its average distance from the sun. This shows the mathematical relationship between the time it takes a plane to complete one revolution and its distance from the sun. 6. The Sargas. As an inventor, the Sargas designed spiral staircases and new models of pumps, but his main interest was geometry. He discovered something new different from Greek geometry, which is now known as projection or modern geometry. The Sargas was a key figure in the transition to modern geometry. Through its discoveries, projective geometry and treatises on conic section and perspective, he paved the way for a new understanding of geometric structure that is still relevant today. His work not only influenced the development of mathematics but also made important contributions to art and articulate engineering. 7. Blaise Pascal. Together with Pierre de Fermat, discovered the theory of probability. Pascal also created a calculating machine to help his father with the work of calculating taxes, which was often time-consuming and tiring. With Pascal line, the calculation process becomes more efficient. At the age of 12, Pascal succeeded in calculating that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The 16-year-old discovered the mystical hexagram theorem in projective geometry on curves. Conclusion: mathematics in the 17th century was filled with discoveries revolutionary who opened a new era in mathematics. Characters like Napier, Harriot, Euclid, Galileo, Kepler, Desargues, and Pascal have leaving behind an invaluable legacy in mathematics. Development of algebraic notation, algorithms, dynamics, projective geometry, and many more have confirmed that the 17th century is important milestone in mathematical evolution. Thank you and see you the next time.